Wow! That actually... That looks nice. Wow, this is my order. My mom's food. Martin, you smile down. It's so big. Oh wow, that's a nice picture. It's so clear. I'm so happy to take picture. We are here in Bohol and we went to this restaurant called Pilia and it's really nice looking. Sarap ng food, guys. Mama ko, papa ko, asawa ko. Good food.
We are stranded under this roof because I want to have a pizza. I saw pizza online and I want to try it. The other one want to eat rice and chicken and I cannot stand rice and chicken. One more day I will go crazy, ballistic. The question is it worth it? Because we are on a quest for the pizza. On a quest. We will find out later, but the weather is playing us. It is raining. Yes. But I want the pizza. Yeah, it's also raining here sometimes. It's also raining here sometimes.
Ito yung nilakad talaga namin ng around 15-20 minutes para lang mapuntahan ng restaurant na to. The name is Giuseppe. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Pizzeria o Sicilian Roast. There you go.
Giuseppe.
Ano siya, guys? I would say for Filipino, hindi ko naintindihan. Usay kasulti mo sa mga pagkaon nga display dire. Okay ra ako kaila. Parihas data. O kasabutan eh.
Mata kaila wala kasabot. Pero na may sayo ni. Kawayan.
Ang kawayan mo rin masabtan. Ako gay mo sa nakuha.
Kuya kita mo to. Ben nagtupis ba?
Oh, normal na din.
Kabayo sa unsa ni gunit pa sa rider.
Normal. Ikaw pa unsa man mo ikasulti sa mga pagkaon dire?
Okay lang. Taon-taon naglakaw.
Unya.
Pag-abot, ang maliit. Yeah.
So this is our second day. Second day na namin dito sa Bohol and right now we're sitting here. It's not the best weather because it's raining and then stops raining and it's raining again.
But it's good for the plants.
But it's good for the planet, oy. Diba? Hoy dong, you're happy dong you're about to really get your pizza. Are you happy ba you're about to get your pizza?
Can I come I will comment on that after eating.
Oh, what did you order?
Done caramel.
How much is it?
Mahal.
How much ba?
520.
Oh.
Okay.
Order namin Hawaiian
Oh, great.
pizza 420. Mag-share lang kami, and then maybe later after we're gonna find another restaurant that's Filipino, that's more, that's our tummy will be more happy. So yun, sitting, nasa labas kami, and this is the view from the outside. And ito naman yung view sa loob. Yun lang.
Taste it.
Ang pizza ba mo winner din siya. Paano ba pa?
Paano hindi na pa?
Tanong lang.
Sa ikasultin ninyo lami sa inyong Hawaiian.
Lagi kalami. Sobra kalami pero presyo po sobra mampun.
Sure, Roy. Aslom?
Kanapol.
Ay, kuan. Tomato. Yummy. Enjoying it. Sarap. Good. Too cold. Very like this.
Very full of yourself.
Nagpainom daw nila ni Kuan ba? Luis, diba? Ano na nga pizza? Luis Manzano ba? Pizza,
Pizza Hut, Checkers.
oh shit. Ano si Jinjin, si Darren, ano na siya, pakuro ba sila sa ako kay carton sa